Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we've got something special in store for all the DIYers, roofers, and construction enthusiasts out there. We're going to take an in-depth look at the Guardian Fall Protection 00815 BOS-T50 bucket of safe tie, which many consider to be the best roofing harness available. Let's dive right in. Alright, let's kick things off with an overview of this roofing harness kit. The Guardian Fall Protection 00815 BOS-T50 is a complete fall protection gear kit designed to keep you safe while working at heights. It's perfect for roofers, construction workers, and anyone who needs to work in elevated environments. As you can see, it comes neatly packed in a 5-gallon waterproof bucket, making it easy to transport and store your safety equipment. Inside, you'll find a full body harness with 5 adjustment points for a secure and comfortable fit. This harness is made of high-quality nylon and polyester materials and features an anti-slip back placard for added comfort and security. Trust me, comfort matters when you're working for hours on a roof. Now, let's talk about some of the key features that set this roofing harness apart from the rest. One of the standout features is the integrated shock absorber in the lifeline assembly. This eliminates the need for an additional shock-absorbing lanyard, reducing weight on the dorsal D-ring, and ultimately increasing your comfort while working. The kit includes a reusable temper anchor, which can be easily installed on most roofs without splitting the trusses. It comes with screws and nails for secure attachment. The 50-foot vertical lifeline assembly is made of high-strength polyester and polypropylene, resistant to moisture absorption, kinks, and knots. It even includes an 18-inch lanyard extension for added convenience. Safety is paramount, and the Guardian Fall Protection 00815 BOS-T50 is designed with your protection in mind. It meets OSHA and ANSI compliance standards, ensuring that you're using a reliable and certified safety system. This kit is suitable for personal fall arrest, restraint, and work positioning. So, in conclusion, the Guardian Fall Protection 00815 BOS-T50 is, without a doubt, one of the best roofing harnesses on the market. It's a complete safety kit that offers comfort, security, and compliance, all in one package. Whether you're a professional roofer or a DIY enthusiast tackling a home improvement project, this kit has got you covered. With its quality materials and thoughtful design, it's an investment in your safety that's worth every penny. That wraps up today's review of the Guardian Fall Protection 00815 BOS-T50 bucket of safe tie. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And be sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more honest product reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, safety first, folks. Stay tuned for more exciting product reviews coming your way. Until next time, happy building!